Welcome to Wabi Art. Today we'll be learning how to draw a cute penguin. First, you start off with an upside down U shape. And then a curved line across. Next, the black outline of a penguin. So that's a upward curve and a slight downward curve. And then another upward curve. And join towards the edge. Next, we're going to draw the body of the penguin. So let's join from this corner, go downwards, a slight curve on the edge, and then across, slight curve on the edge, and join all the way to the top. Next, we want to draw the scarf. And you just want to draw another curved line across. And then the dark outline of the rest of the body. Now the rest of the scarf detail, which is just some rectangles. Shake downwards. Draw another shorter one next to it. Now we're going to draw the hands of the penguin. Same with the other side. And the feet. Curve on the point. Top, bottom, top, bottom, touch. Same with the other side. Draw the detail of the cute eyes. So 2 large circles. Three circle highlights. It's coloring the background. Now the mouth, and line across, and cute love heart. And now let's add some color to it. And there you have it, a cute penguin. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.